third grade. Today for science we are back to talking about plants. Today we are looking at the life cycle of a plant. So let's take a look at this document. So here we see the life cycle of a bean plant. And at the top you see that the seeds are scattered in the ground and they're ready to grow. So you just put them down in the soil and then the seeds will absorb water. Then the root will push through the seed coat and the seedling or the new plant will start to come up out of the ground. And in that bottom picture on the bottom right, you can see that there's a sun in the picture because the light is what is going to help this plant grow. After that, you see it says the stem and its leaves grow toward the sunlight. It's so interesting that plants, when they grow towards the sunlight and not away from it. The leaves make food for the plant. And as the plant grows and matures, the flowers of the plant will actually make more seeds. And then those seeds will be scattered on the ground and grow more plants. So it's not just a straight line with a start and an end. It's a circle or a cycle like you see here on this chart. So after viewing this life cycle of a bean plant, what you're going to do is you're going to answer these questions down at the bottom. The first one says, what would happen if a plant did not receive enough sunlight? The next one, why do you think the stem and its leaves grow toward the sunlight? And number 3, name at least 2 ways a seed can be scattered in the environment. So if it's possible, go outside and find an example of as many stages of the plant life cycle. I think that's a really cool activity, and I'm going to show you a couple of plants that are in different stages in my house. So come with me. So this is my greenhouse window in my laundry room, and right here is this jade plant that you guys saw yesterday. This plant is a mature plant, and it is in the last part of that life cycle that we just looked at. But right here, what I want to show you, I just planted these herbs today. I put these seeds in the soil, and they are ready to begin growing, and I have them in my little greenhouse window. So these plants would be in the very first stage of the seed life cycle that we just looked at. So they were just watered and just planted today, so they are just beginning to grow. So this is the very beginning, and this is a mature plant. So that's it for this assignment. Make sure that you answer those journal questions and complete sentences. And if you have any questions, you can send me an email or Miss Gillespie an email, and we'll be happy to help you. That's all.